Hi, I'm updating my video on what is MBS, because I post a lot of things that the MBS charts and stuff like that, and a lot of times I'm sure when you see it or a realtor sees it or somebody else in the mortgage business sees it, a lot of people don't really know exactly what it means. So what is MBS? Better yet, who cares? Well, who cares? You should care. Your realtor, if you're buying a house, should care. Your family should care. And I'll explain why these things here as we walk through this. I'll try to do it as quick as I can. So basically, here's a homeowner. This is yourself. You get a loan. All right. So what happens is you go through a bank or a mortgage broker like myself. The loan then gets sold to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or Ginnie Mae. Okay, you get the loan through them. What they do is they package them up into pools, and they sell those off, those pools of loans, to investors. And what those are called, there's MBSs, or mortgage-backed securities. Okay, so what you do is when you make a payment, it goes to the servicer, which is one of the big companies like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and those companies. A lot of times, probably 95% of the times, they actually didn't really fund your loan. Well, they funded your loan, but they're not using their own money. They're actually using this investor money. So they take out their servicing fee, and then they pass the rest of the payment on to the investor. So when I post charts such as this is actually the price of the bond. Okay, to make it simple, as the price goes up, the yield comes down. So when you see this going up, that's great news. It means the price is going up, so the yield or the interest rate is coming down. So you'll see me post things like this, what's going on in the market. You know, again, why should you know these things? And I'll put, the MBSs are up 530 seconds, and, kind of tell you what's going on in the market. You'll see this flash as I'm talking, and the flash is updates. We chart this all day, every day, because the rates they change throughout the day, and you'll see this. You can see this as it ticks through, and this kind of gives us a little crystal ball into what's going on in the market. So let me walk you through what a difference in rate actually could cost you. So if you go to my website and you go to tools and you click on tools, and it's on every page pretty much. You go to purchases, refinances, you click that, or go to the home page, click any of these tabs, or you can go up through, or the tools bar, and it will take you to this page. Click over here, calculators. There's 19 different calculators, which is really cool. Go to payments per thousand. In this scenario, we're going to do a $250,000 loan at 5%. Disregard this right now, any costs in that, because in most cases we can get this done for you virtually with no costs. But let's go $250,000 loan at, I'm going to say 4.75% rate. Calculate it, and it's going to say your total costs of doing this loan is going to be $473,182. Okay, remember that number, $473,182. Let's go back. That's at 4.75. Let's change this to 4.25. And again, a lot of times we can track this in the market for you and help you try to get a better rate, because we're monitoring this tick by tick. So we go through here. Now we got you a little bit better of a rate. Your total payments, $442,745. The difference is $30,000. So just that little difference in rate could save you over $30,000 in interest. So here's a whole bunch of tools over here to the left that you can use. Comparing, your current rates versus what you have on your current loan. But basically right now we're talking about, the MBS market. So that virtually that is what mortgage-backed securities are. That's why we watch them. That's why we post them. If your financial institution isn't watching these for you and kind of talk to you about these things, they're doing you a disservice. So hopefully this explains a lot more for you. If I could be of help, please let me know. You can call me at 630-338-1160. or you're on the web right now, visit me at 1160mortgage.com. Thanks. Have a great day.